Ryan with AfterIt-Outdoors here. Today I'm going to show you how to make perfect walleye in the microwave. Follow along. First thing you're going to need to do is go out and catch some fish. I got these beautiful sauger fillets. Caught them last night. Then you need yourself a stick of salted butter. Obviously we won't use the whole thing. Normally I use a paper plate, but today I'm going to use a standard ceramic one. A little bit of lemon pepper or your favorite seasoning. And then the star of the show, a moist paper towel. Lay your fillets out on the plate. Put little thin slices of butter. Cover the fillets like that. Then take your paper towel. Cover them just like that. Then put them in your microwave. Then depending upon how big they are, I'm going to start at 230 for these ones. Put them in there, 2 to 4 minutes maybe, I think, and press start. Alright, so we're coming up on 1 minute and 30 seconds. Let's take a look at them just to make sure we don't overdo them. Yep, they're cooking along. Yep, they definitely need more time. Alright, it's been 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's take a look. Hot. Ooh, look at that. Like perfect. Looking pretty good. Alright, now we got it out on the table. You go ahead and pull the paper towel off. And ooh, look at how beautiful that looks. Now you can take your favorite seasoning, and I'll try not to put too much on, but sprinkle a little bit of, I like lemon pepper, so put some lemon pepper on there. Let it cool down for a second. Then it's time to eat. Let's see how this pulls apart. Oh, that looks amazing. So let that sauger cool down a little bit, and here we go. Oh, it's so perfect.